Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm going to show you how to install a phone mount on a motorcycle. Very easy to do. So let's get started. Okay, we have the entire kit here. All you need is a size 5mm Allen to do this job. We have the mount itself right here. Just go like this. Bada bing, bada boom. That's it. That's very secure. But they also give you this silicone rubber thingy. If you want extra safety, all you do is you just take this off. Then you put this here. Then you just go like this. And that makes it even more secure, but in my case I don't really need this rubber piece because this alone is pretty strong enough. Okay, then we have this guy here. It goes into the stem. This is the same thing but a bigger size if you have a bigger one. A stem, that is, not the whatever you're thinking. And these are replacements for over here. They give you two of these. And these guys, they go here if you want to stick them on. They have like a little padding. Just gonna use a little alcohol. Clean it. Take this puppy off. Bam. And stick it in there. And of course I'm gonna have the link in the description where I got this from. It was like I don't know, 15 bucks or something, eBay. It's a nice cheap Chinese good product that works fine. So let me show you how it's done. Like I told you before, this guy goes into the stem right here. Just like that, and you tighten this bolt. So how this works, when you tighten the screw, this thing gets sucked in here, which spreads these tabs and makes it like a press fit inside the steering stem. So that's how that works. And like I told you before, this is the same thing, but it's a bigger size. So this thing really can work on multiple bikes. And then this guy here is meant if you want to bolt it with a screw instead of using this guy. Let's say if you want to put it here, for example, you take the screw out, you make it go through here, just like that. If you want, you could screw a hole into your gas tank and put it right there. No, I'm just kidding, don't do that. My very first job is to put this on. So when you put this in, you want to make it a little snug, like a snug fit. Because if you go to tighten it, it'll keep on spinning. It's never gonna be tight. So you gotta give it a little preload. You have to find that sweet spot. Now if you go too tight with this and you want to loosen it, this might get stuck here. Just give it a little tap on the bolt here. That will back it off. Okay, so you can see this is a little snug here. That's what you want. So it doesn't keep on spinning. And then you start making this tight. And what that does is it expands inside here. Makes it like a compression fit. And once again, just like everything else, this is aluminum. That means it's a soft metal and it can strip easy. So same thing, just make it a little bit snug. Nothing crazy, just a little bit. That's all you need. I can shake the whole bike with that. So that's really strong, and I just went a little tight, just a little snug, that's all. I'm gonna put the mount on the ball thingy. So really this, you can spin it any which way you want. Put it like here, here, you know. So wherever you want it, you just make it tight and bam, that's it. You're done. Okay, now I'm gonna put the phone. The only thing, in my case, I have buttons here. So I don't want this to end up here. Usually I like to put it right there. Bam. And that's it. It's a beautiful thing. And also, of course, if you want to have it go like this way, you know, it's up to you. You can make it go more like this, back. Yeah, if you want to be gangster, just put it sideways like that. Bam. That's it. Who's badass now? Just write it like that. But I think I'm gonna have it like this. So I can see my gauges, you know, then I can have like a GPS here. And yeah, that's it, there you have it. Very easy to install. The only, not hard thing though, tricky part is to have that sleeve inside there. Make it go a little snug so it doesn't keep on spinning on you. Other than that, it's real easy to do. It looks nice. And then when you're done with this, of course, take out the phone. Then you just go like this. Just make sure when you loosen this, it kind of wants to like fall apart. So kind of hold it with both hands, pop it off. Can start doing wheelies again. You want to keep this under the seat so you know it's handy when you need it. All right, and that's gonna be it for today. I'm very happy with this result. I've been meaning to do this for like a year, so finally did it. Maybe we can do some further trips now. So the cool thing is I can have the map here if I have the GPS on, and then the phone is connected via Bluetooth with my Cardo system, and I can hear the GPS lady at the same time, and also play music, of course, and all that cool stuff. I suggest you stick around because next video it's gonna be LED lights. I'm gonna put some LED lights on the Busa in the front. Get rid of those yellow ugly headlights. So yeah, stick around and you know, give me one of these.